Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a fox step by step. For drawing fox we will use different lines and shapes. For this project you need paper, pencil, eraser and crayons. Start drawing fox in a pencil and firstly draw the head at the top of the paper. The shape of the head looks like a triangle shape. We have sharp angle here and curved line at the top. Please leave some space for the ears. Then you can draw a small round nose. Draw two brow lines. Draw two small circle eyes and two ears. Then draw the body shape. The body shape looks like oval shape. Then draw two L-shaped legs, L-shaped like letter L. Draw a belly line around them. And finally, we can draw a tail, long, beautiful tail. And a grass line. Now we can start coloring our fox in. For coloring, I will use orange, blue, green and black colors. You can use any colors what you like. If you would like, you can trace over the drawing with a black pastel.